Hello, it's Mr. Argyle. I'm recording a lesson today. Today we talked specifically about fractions. Now, fractions can be kind of gross. They aren't the most manageable things in the world, but the rules that we can use before still apply here. In fact, there's one specific rule that I want to point out to you today, and that is the multiplication property of equality. You'll recall that the multiplication property of equality says that if you multiply one thing by, you can multiply something into an equation all the way through and have it remain the same. In this case, we're going to be multiplying a number specifically to get rid of the fractions. Consider this example over here to the left. 1/2 plus 1/4 x equals 3. It looks kind of complicated. It's kind of gross. But let's consider the denominators for a minute. We have 1/2, 1/4, and the imaginary 1 underneath 3. Let's find the LCM, or the least common multiple. In this case, never mind, let's define it officially. The least common multiple is the smallest number, that each denominator divides evenly. So for example, notice here we have 1, 2, and 4. Now 4, when divided by 2, is 2. 4, when divided by 4, equals 1. And 4 divided by 1 equals 4. So 4 is the LCM, because 4 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Made a mistake up there. That should be 2. We all know that. So I'm just going to rewrite the problem. I'm going to switch colors. If we were to multiply this first term by 4, this next term by 4, this next term by 4, we get 4 times 1/2, which is 2. 4 times 1/4, which is 1, x, equals 3 times 4, which is 12. Now, I'd agree that the second problem is significantly easier to solve than the first. In fact, 2 plus 1x equals 12 is the same thing as x equals 10. If you'd like, you can verify by plugging 10 in for x up in the first equation. But we know that this is true because of the multiplication property of equality. Let's try another example. One where the LCM isn't quite so obvious. Let's try one from your homework. This is number 13 on the regular homework. We have 4/3. Come on, chin strap. Let's do this. Maybe if it'll cooperate. There we go.